nerd. I'm a smarty misfit. Though you laugh, mom says I'm gifted. Girls think I'm creepy every time I stop and say I can fix your iPod in return for a day.
Hey, let me show you what to do. Oh, this is how you do it.
And at school, bullies pick on me. Wedgies take my lunch money. Don't fight back, cause once when I tried, everybody just laughed and said, but they're just lucky this isn't Warcraft, cause I'm a level 60 mage with an Oracle staff, plus 10 attack with extended range. He'd be sorry he took my chain. But I was looking to the left, looking to the right, avoiding the bully, not looking for a fight. But then he found me, but I made him a deal that I would do his homework every day for a year. Sine, cosine, cosine, sine, 3.14159. My homework is already done, so I think I'll read the dictionary just for fun. I know, I know, I know, nerdy, 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 nerdy. I like it quiet in the library. I come here every single day to study. Mondays through Fridays and even weekends. All these books are my best friends. But don't get me wrong, I like to have fun. But I don't like to party cause it just seems dumb. Dancing in the club is just not my thing. My computer's better anyway, it blinks to the beat. So when I'm bored, I use my calculator to recreate these graphs that I had on paper. Trust me, it is loads of fun using 2 TI-83s instead of 1. So though my glasses are taped in the middle and my pants are short by just a little, teachers think I'm pretty cool. There's nothing wrong with liking school. Sine, cosine, cosine, sine, 3.14159. My homework is already done, so I think I'll read the dictionary just for fun. I know, I know, I know, nerdy, 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 nerdy.
Trái, còi xanh, trái, 3.141 bên đây.